Well, it all starts with the first board. And what's going on over here is I need to close up the bottom part of that door there so that I can raise my dirt level. I could block it off, but I think I'm going to use pressure treated in case I need to pop it out so I can have full access under the house. All right, so let me slam these two pieces together and hopefully they will fit in the door. I just realized I have to leave a step up of 1 5/8 inches to clear the other side. Stop it. Okay, let's see how it fits. If I've done this correctly, it will just drop in. And it does. Now I'll tag it up with a few screws. And Bob's your uncle. I keep grabbing the drills with the wrong tips. Ow. My bony ass and stones. Need to be bulletproof because the vents are open. Just needs to keep things out.